This video I took at Mamagato, where on 26 January when I wanted to have some Japanese food. So I went to this place. This is in sector 62, Noida. Amazing ambience. You must try this place. The food was yum. I did try some chicken and fish sushi and some ramen. Yes, this wonderful juice. Yes, it was so yummy, just like a wow. The kiwi fruit punch juice. This is the rainbow sushi chicken. No, this is a fish sushi rainbow. See the color? It looks like a rainbow. And this one is the chicken sushi. And of course the ramen. Yum yum.